Hey there guys, so currently I am in charge of the camera because Nina is outside having a getting ready for a shoot. That's what she's doing here in Paris, so let's see what happens later on. So Nina is currently getting her shade worked out, while I have to stand around and act like I have no idea what I'm doing because I don't really know what I'm doing. It's great.
Getting colour match. Find my friend's shade, finally. It's been, you know, the collection was released in 2017 and it's 2019 and I'm only purchasing. Just ignore how I look right now because I'm gonna go shit and shower. But
alright, that was abrupt.
It's human nature. But we're just here to tell you a story about what happened yesterday evening. But yeah, we didn't tell you this morning, so.
Oh, well, yeah, this morning, yesterday evening. Yeah.
No, I'm saying I didn't tell them this morning.
Oh yeah.
But obviously it's nighttime now. But yesterday evening we went out on the mill, as I think you the footage is there. As you saw, we went out on a mill for our 6-month anniversary and everything was fine, you know. We had good food, everything was nice. He bought me a rose, which is cute, and then we tried to find a cocktail bar, but we went around in circles and we couldn't find it, so we just ended up going to one called L'Addict. Everything was cool, like the drinks were really nice.
Owner's lovely. He gives us free shots.
Because we were dressed really nicely, and I think because we were dressed really nicely and classy, and maybe because we're from London, maybe the owner, like he took a fancy to us, like he liked us. He called us really classy people, which was cool. And then he gave us free shots, and he had a shot with us, which was nice. And the drinks were nice. And then suddenly, out of nowhere,
it's closing hours now.
Towards closing hours, literally out of nowhere, I just hear like tables being pushed around and people running. I turn my head and everyone's running out the shop, and a fight breaks out.
Fight breaks out? No way.
Out of nowhere, literally out of nowhere. Everyone runs out the shop, and it's literally just me and you that was left in the shop.
Yeah,
even the owner
at one
ran
point
out.
we were literally the only 2 people in the entire building.
Yeah, even the owner ran out, literally, and we just looked out the window, and then people were just fighting. These guys were just fighting, and then this girl that was talking to Gareth, she got hit in the face. He didn't see it, but I think she was trying to stop or help, and she just got punched in the face and she fell on the floor. I was just like,
oh shit.
I wasn't even scared, I was just confused because literally it happened out of nowhere. And then when they started fighting even more, there was 2 guys on top of each other on the floor, and then everyone else surrounding them and kicking everyone that was on the floor. Like they were kicking both of the guys' heads. Like, can you imagine? I feel like people in France, they really do go at it, like.
Well, can't, like, yeah, no. Like, it was just drunk guys, but it was weird.
I don't even think it was drunkenness. I feel like maybe someone was being rude or someone was being cheeky. I don't know, it just happened out of nowhere. Yeah. Because the guys were there already when we walked past them to find the other cocktail bar, and everyone seemed like they were friendly. But I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. But it was very violent, and then some people were rushing back in, and then the owner, as soon as the as soon as the fight broke out, literally he was like, okay, he's got to close the shop now. So he was rushing to close the shop, and he offered to drive us home, which was really nice, and he did. He drove us home, which was really nice. But that was just crazy. Like that was bloody crazy. We went to Sephora. This is my first time ever being in Sephora, obviously because I'm in Paris, but I'm not in America, but like, yeah. And obviously I had to purchase my first ever Fenty Beauty foundation. Can you believe it? Elsewhere. 2 years, guys, 2 years. But I got my first Fenty Beauty foundation. Ooh, let me open it. That's why everything looks weird here. This side is the Fenty Beauty with the concealer. This side is my Maybelline and Makeup Revolution. That's why it looks white. Bloody hell, Maybelline. I mean, sorry, Makeup Revolution. So I got my skin matched, and I'm a 4'10". Surprisingly, I thought I'd be a 3'95".
I thought you were 5'3".
I thought I'd be a 3'95". I only say that because when watching YouTube videos, like I'll try to compare my skin tone to other people's skin tone that I feel like have the same skin tone as me, and they'd use like 3'85", 3'90". But I'm surprised, 4'10". But you know, that's good. Can you open this for me, please? Yeah. I think, oh no, open it from the bottom. Okay. And then I got the concealer, of course. And I got the mini primer, only because like that, the big one was quite pricey. Oh, hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. I'm so excited.
And you just can't hide it.
I'm so excited. I'm actually so excited. What was you singing?
It's cold outside and it's warm in bed.
You weren't quoting so many songs though. That was one song that you quoted.
I quoted another one before that.
When was that?
I'm so excited and I just can't hide it.
I didn't hear that. Did you guys hear that? I didn't hear that.
I literally just did it when you said I'm so excited.
I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. I know.
Oh, she doesn't want to say a word.
And I've got the concealer here.
Am I going to have to open the other one?
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. But yeah, I've got the concealer. And then this is the mini primer. Like, look how cute it is. It's tiny. Well, it's not tiny. Yeah, it's tiny. It's like, yeah, this is...
They're like the same size.
Yeah, this is the size compared to the mini primer. So that's what the primer, that's how big, tall the primer is. I did want to get the big one, but it was 33 euros. That's a lot. If I got that instead of this one, then our total would have been like 90 euros 99. This video is about to end, and good night. And we'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh. Hey, so basically, Nina has conked. I've gone for a shower and Nina's conked out. So I'm trying to work out what to do in regards to how to wake her up. So... she's sleepy. She's out, she's out. I'm thinking buckaroo. This one's for the win. Currently, we're sat in a cocktail bar. because Nina has met up with one of her very estranged friends that she hasn't seen in like 6 years, who lives in Paris now. So we're gonna catch up with her.
So hi guys, so we're back and look who I have here, Penelope. I call her Penny. This is my old friend that I haven't seen in like 6 to 7 years. That's such a long time. We're reunited. I'm gonna leave her Instagram here so you guys can check out her work. She's a fashion designer. She designs clothes and she's a really good artist as well. So if you don't know, now you know. All melted.
I'll like have her up a bit.
Oh well, just wait for it to melt. Hey babe, surfaces.
Oh yeah.
Lick my fingers. Taste it.
Oh, that's salty. I don't know.
You're such a baby.
Hey, you don't know what that tastes like.
It's beef stock.
Yeah, but you ain't tasted beef stock. Where did we get the butter at?
On pasta.
You put butter in your pasta? I don't know why she's looking at me like that.
My fellow black, not even just black people will be looking at you right now.
I'm sure they would.
Put butter in your pasta and your spaghetti because it's going to be dry once it's in there. So it has moisture and it's soft. And you put butter in it. Okay, once this is done and you throw away the water, you'll see the difference between when it's dry and then when you put butter in it. You're supposed to put butter in it. That way it doesn't stick to the pan and it has more moisture in it because you're throwing away the moisture and it's water, so it's going to dry into the pasta. But when you put butter in it, the texture is better. Where have you been living, mate? Under a rock?
Essex.
Yeah.
We just use sauce and then work from that.
Nah. Okay, so I've just beat him 6-0.
Yeah, we're making new rules.
6-0 while playing Snap because
While
I
making
really
new
am.
rules.
Shh. I really am the queen of Snap, and yeah, he's just shit. Like he's tried. He's cheated. He's tried to wrestle me and he tried to steal my cards. But do you know what?
Your card.
But do you know what? I still won. I still won at the end of the day. 6-0. Yeah, I'm just too good, mate. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. What do you have to say, Lisa?
I wish I was a girl so I could make rules. Wait, I saw.
I've won. What is done to my head? If I'm correct, if my calculations are correct, can you do my scarf for me, please?
I'm just pushing it down.
No, just take it out and do it again properly.
I don't know how to do it properly.
Oh, baby, you're on my neck. Excuse me, it's a headscarf. Up a bit. Yeah, right there. Babe, my sides of my head's out. Babe, look. No, do it properly. No, seriously, do it properly.
I can't see the other side. Yeah, okay.
Tight.
Yeah, but I'm trying to put it in the folds here.
Wait, babe, look. Look, my hair's out. Gotta push it down a bit, babe. Look, it's coming out, What's the back looking like? I mean, what's this on my head? I look like a grandma. It is departure day in Paris, France, in Alfortville. And yeah, we're leaving today. Well, right now. I don't want to go. I'm gonna miss this house.
Yeah.
So goodbye bedroom. Goodbye. Yes, go away Gareth, move. Goodbye sitting room. Goodbye. Goodbye balcony. I know we weren't in you for that long because, you know, you're very cold, but we still appreciate you. Goodbye kitchen. Goodbye. And last but not least, goodbye bathroom. Goodbye beautiful big mirror. Goodbye. I don't want to go. This is Isabel, guys.
Hello.
She's our host.
Oh, I am not very pretty.
No, you are. She's our host. She's very lovely. But thank you so much. We enjoyed our time here.
Yeah. Because I didn't take my shower because my father was in hospital tonight.
Oh,
So
sorry.
I was in urgency. It's the reason why I am like that.
Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry.
But he is better. He come back home now.
That's good.
That's good, yeah.
Everything was okay?
Yeah, everything's fine.
excellent.
Yeah,
Yeah,
very
very
much.
So you,
Jinx.
you come back when you want?
Yeah, I was
Definitely,
saying to
thanks.
Gareth, I'm sure that wouldn't be the last time we come to the house. We'll come back again.
So you call me, keep my telephone number
Yeah, you have
and
to
call
do
me directly
Yeah.
because it will be better for you and for me.
So, right now we're on our way to the train station.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna go to
A place called.
we're gonna go to a cafe.
Basically, we're going to a cafe that is in a place called Luxembourg.
Luxembourg. So we're gonna do our last activity in France and then we can make our way back to England. Are we gonna have enough time?
I think so.
You think so?
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a quick activity, like an hour.
Yeah.
Okay. But yeah, I know what it is. Basically, we're gonna be sketching and drawing because one time when we were in London, we were in the park. Just drop my suitcase. One time in Hyde Park. No, it wasn't Hyde Park, was it?
It was
was
the one near
St. James's. St. James's Park.
Yeah, that's about right.
So I think one time when we were in St. James's, oh, I'm struggling out here. Okay, St. James's Park. There were artists with their paintbrushes and canvases, just painting their view. So I said to him, that would be nice to do one day. You know, just paint what we see or draw. So he's incorporated that into our Paris trip. But I knew what it was gonna be when I saw pencils in his bag. It was meant to be a surprise, but I saw pencils in his bag. So and then I saw the sketchbook, so I knew what it was. But it's cute. Oh, I've got chewing gum stuck in my hair.
What? Oh, babe.
I was moving the hair out of my face. Okay, babe, can you hold this, please? Of course it would be me.
How would you get you?
I was moving it out of my face. Guys, it's so fucking cold. It's so cold. Look at me. Alright. Let's get a crack-a-lackin'. So we at the cafe. Oh, it's cold. You already saw we got some hot chocolate. Yes, yes. I might leave this one. Put my hot chocolate on this side. Do you want me to put yours on that side? Got my notepad and pencil. Okay, so basically our view is a building. This is our view of the cafe.
Yeah, it's creamy.
So we're back in London time. We've just travelled back in time, an hour back in time. Look at the view, it's pretty.
Can you try and distract from what you just did?
Okay.
It's still more like alright. How is that?
What did it describe what it's?
Oh my god, it was like damp meat. That's the best way I can describe it.
It's all the beef. It's all the beef.
Yeah, it was beef.
It's the beef and the chocolate, the cakes that we had. The burgers, the burgers, nuggets, cereal, cakes,
So
the milk as well. Yes, there was several days. But yeah, overall the trip was it was good. Yeah, it was good. I enjoyed it. I just can't wait for the next one. Thank you guys for watching our vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Please. Follow our socials if you want to. We're nice, but if you want to. But yes, I'll catch you guys in